introduce our special guest. From California's 25th Congressional District, Congressman Steve Knight.
Well, 17 years ago was something that a lot of us will never forget. For many of you, it was probably the year that you were born, or maybe the year before, or the year after. I can remember that day like it was yesterday. I woke up, I got phone calls. People said, "Are you watching the news?" I said, "No." As soon as I turned on the news, I went in and I grabbed my son, who was 6 at the time, and we sat on the bed and we watched for about 3 hours. This is a day of remembrance, but this is also a day of patriotism. The days that led after 9/11, everyone had a flag out. Everyone had a flag on their car. Everyone was talking about America. We should continue to do that every day. I put my flag out on my house because I'm patriotic, because I believe in this country. We should always do that. Don't wait for something like this to happen. And never forget this. There's over 2,500 people that died. And a lot of those people were stuck on a floor that they couldn't do anything about but die. And over 400 first responders died that were running into the buildings trying to save other people. And they did save many people. So again, this is a solemn day, and it is a day of remembrance. But it's also a day, part of our history, and part that we should always, always carry forward. Because the next generations are going to see other things. And we've got to be that generation that says, you know what? We survived 9/11, and we carried on, and we'll survive this. Thank you.
Ever since September 11, 2001, when firefighters and police officers risked their own lives so that others may live another day, but when first responders rushed into the Pentagon through smoke and fire, when men and women of Flight 93 so bravely fought their hijackers to save our nation's capital, it brought us together as one.
If you go to our flagpole in front of the school, there's a plaque at the base of our flagpole in his honor. If you look right up here by the switchboard, there's a picture of Staff Sergeant Alan Walker, high school graduate, who gave his life for this nation and for what we believe, because of what happened 17 years ago today.